Hi, this is Kevin Bell. I'm a private chef here on Maui. This is Maui Farm to Fridge TV. Today I'm going to show you how to eat a locally grown mango. So mangoes can be a little tricky. I have a lot of people ask me, how do you eat these things? And usually they come in frozen chunks because we don't get fresh mangoes that often on the mainland. But here we eat them all the time. August is mango season here on Maui, and if you're around you should stop by Yee's Orchard in Kihei. They have the most delicious mangoes on the island, but the truth is the most delicious mangoes usually grow in someone's backyard and they don't share. But the way you're gonna cut a mango is you come in on the side here and you cut around the center pit. So it's just two slices like that, and then you have this section left, but you have two spheres like that. And then what you're gonna do is run your knife just through the mango to score it, and then you twist it, score it again, flip it inside out, and you've got a delicious mango. You can just peel these chunks right off, and they're really tasty. Now you've got this big pit that you don't know what to do with. If you actually go around the outside edge with your knife and cut all the skin off, you can just gnaw on it like an apple. That's my favorite thing to do. It's a little messy. You can also just trim it with your knife and try and figure out where the pit is and save what you can. So what I did was I just tried to trim the skin off the best I could, and you can just take a bite. You can also chunk it and put it into a fruit salad or something like that, just like that. Mangoes are delicious. I hope you eat a lot of them when you're visiting Maui. If you are on Maui and you'd like a private chef or white glove grocery delivery, that's what we do at Maui Farm to Fridge. We also do catering for bigger parties. So check out our website, www.mauifarmtofridge.com. Have a great day. Aloha.